Welcome to Anderson Center for Hair, a premier and comprehensive hair loss treatment center, offering cutting-edge surgical and non-surgical treatments for hair loss. I'm Dr. Ken Anderson, a triple board-certified facial plastic surgeon. For over 2 decades, I have specialized exclusively in hair transplant surgery, and I've been helping patients regain their hair and their confidence. I hold faculty positions at 2 medical schools, the David Geffen School of Medicine at UCLA and Emory School of Medicine here in Atlanta. I founded the American Academy of Hair Restoration Surgery, and I've trained over 60 surgeons from around the world in the art and science of hair transplant surgery. I've given dozens of lectures around the United States and world about the new advances developed at Anderson Center for Hair. The world of hair loss and hair transplant surgery can be very confusing to patients because of all the misinformation out there. We place a top priority on patient education and help our patients understand their hair loss and the proven and effective ways to manage it. At the end of your consultation, I know you will have a solid understanding of hair loss and what your best options are. We at Anderson Center for Hair know that hair loss hurts, and we are there for you along the way. You will receive a personalized and private consultation, and all of your questions and concerns will be addressed. Hair loss treatments are not a single item on a long list of different cosmetic treatments here at Anderson Center for Hair. Treating hair loss is all we do. We are not a national chain. There is a caring, family-like atmosphere here at our old school medical practice. Patients often comment on the genuine compassion they feel from our dedicated staff. We look forward to being your guide on this exciting journey, and I look forward to seeing you soon.